Yeah. All right, guys, going up.
I love that fucker. I saw it. I liked it. I considered it 80 millimeter, right?
It's a pain in the ass for a beginner. Don't fly it.
Yeah.
Save this.
Someone else told me that.
It's really hard to fly. It's a pain in the ass.
Told me, so I didn't buy it.
Yeah.
I was gonna buy it.
All right, going up.
You don't mind if I go up behind you, do it?
No, go ahead. This is really fast. It'll.
So I want to do it.
You won't catch it.
You
I won't catch you.
But I don't want to scare you either because it's fast.
I scare me. Oh, look, it's got the flames in the back.
Well, that's what you want.
Huh? That's that one I want.
Yeah,
He says don't get it.
Really?
Not right away.
Not a good beginner one.
No.
Oh,
Okay, I'm gonna do a fast pass from the left.
yeah, not a good beginner.
What's going on, Frank?
Spark, if you can stay a little back behind the runway, it will be better.
Dude, Europe was great. It was fun, but I love America. Yeah, I mean, there's not. I mean, Europe is fun. I think to be there for like. Wow.
Okay, low pass from the right.
Would I consider living there? I don't think so. No. I live in London. I haven't been to London though. London's the next place we're going. So we were only in Paris.
Easy. It's probably like 120, 130.
Oh, really?
Yeah, when it really gets on it.
Amsterdam was pretty good. Paris was good.
Fucking move.
Just because the history of the city and all that stuff.
Oh, that's way faster than the other one.
Yeah, it's the fastest one I got.
You guys are 4 cells, 3 cells?
This is 6.
6?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I see that there'll be times in my retirement
Yeah. That'll do it.
Oh, yeah, that's 100 plus.
Because when it was stock, it was pushing almost 120.
Was it?
And it's faster now.
It's faster now?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you got the FMS EDF unit in there.
Oh, he does?
Yeah.
You have it on 90?
It's 80.
It's an 80 also? But that's a free-wing plane, right?
Free-wing plane, but FMS unit.
Yeah, I think London might.
It's lighter and
It's a lot.
it's just better all around.
That's a big. Yeah, I mean, I
Same
speak
amount of
French.
blades, 12 blades?
And it
12
was,
blades, yeah.
12 blade.
Pulls the same amount of amps too.
Okay, and most people speak English.
But it's just better.
Yeah, they do. But it was just like
it is kind of
everything
small.
is like
On a small
just
side,
the
but-
day to day is
The
different.
small 80.
How they shop is different. Like
Because
you
it
know,
makes
like
an 80.
little
That looks
conveniences.
so much
Like I'm used to going
Yeah.
to Safeway. They don't have that. It's, everything is like
little
Not
shop.
even
pocket
looking
and
at it.
there.
yeah. And I was like, it's kind of
Just
cool.
watching the flybys.
Kind of fun. But then
Did I take video and all that?
Yeah. I'm recording.
yeah,
Oh.
it was interesting.
I got you guys kind of duking it out
It is a
earlier a
different
little
way
bit.
of life.
Oh yeah?
That's how we live. That's how we evolved.
Yeah, exactly. Amsterdam was fun. That was more my speed. Like, it was melting pot, there's a brewery, there's weed, it's just everything that you want. Like,
All right, another fast one from the
that
right.
was really weird. I thought that was weird. I thought it was gonna be cool, and then I was like, that's actually
The way they look, they just look like
Actually, the ones we saw look pretty healthy. It's just, I was just thinking like, it must be the person sitting on the window that people just ugly at.
4,
3. But anyway,
No stall there.
and yeah, like
It used to. With the other unit, it would not do this.
food was great.
Oh, really?
I
No.
think the food was one of the best things that we did.
Climb out on that.
The other unit, it would not do that.
You're saying it's not good for beginners because
It's squirrely. It's got a really high wing loading. It's better now, but it is totally unforgiving.
When you stall it,
Yeah.
if you don't have height, you're
Yeah.
done.
You're done.
yeah.
I need a lot of
Especially stock.
You are done. Done.
I always want to stick the FMS into the Saber. See how fast
It works. It actually works really good.
Yeah.
It's not really that much faster, but it's better.
Yeah.
All right, I'm landing from the right.
You're clear.
Saber's got a lot more weight than that one.
Plus it's a little bit more
I know.
bulkier.
I'm like, oh
Yeah.
shit.
That's what I like
I
about
don't
Saber.
even know.
But it's a cool plane.
This one?
No, the Saber.
Oh, yeah.
I want that again.
Two of my friends have the Saber with the FMS unit.
You got one?
Love it.
It changed it.
Is it better?
Better. A lot better.
Now, did you put a light in the back or something?
Yeah, there's an afterburner unit in there.
One of our friends.
And it's just a light?
Yeah, it's just a LED light.
That's so cool. When you took off, it looked so great.
1
Those
minute
lights
over.
looked like flames coming out.
I told Rand which ones I wanted, but he's been out of town, right?
That's something they sell?
No, this is a buddy of mine's gonna be selling
He's
it.
gonna be selling it. He's in the test phase. He's testing them out. We're his guinea pigs.
Yeah, we're.
So your buddy made that, huh?
Yeah, he made it.
That's trash.
He's done a pretty good job of those lights. I mean,